Hey guys, it's Phoenix here. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today is a client makeover tutorial. I'm working on the gorgeous Devon, who is one of my absolutely favorite models. She's got beautiful big eyes and loads of space. So I wanted to create something extra colorful and glam today. So if you guys want to learn how to recreate this look, keep on watching. So the very first thing we're going to be doing today is the eyes and the brows. So I've applied a little bit of an eye base around the whole brow area, and I'm taking a Phoenix brow brush and brow shadow in the brow just to create a really nice soft definition and to give the brows a little bit of color and arch. Then I applied the eye base around the whole eye area. Now I'm going to create a rainbow type effect in the crease of the eye, starting with a pink, blending out to a purple, and then blending that out to a blue. To create this look today, I'm using the Carnival palette, which is by Stacey MUA. So I'm going to start off with the pink, and I'm using a really vibrant pink from the palette called Funky, and then that blends out to a slightly deeper pink called Wifey. So I'm just using a smaller brush to apply the pink, and then a larger fluffy blending brush to blend the pink out and to soften the edges. So once we get about a quarter of the way across the eye, we can start to apply the purple and blend that pink into the purple in a nice kind of transition between the two shades. The purple I'm using from the Carnival palette is called Wasted, and the purple really goes right in the center of the eye, so about a quarter way in to the center of the eye, leaving the outer corner free for the blue. And the blue that I'm using is called Mood, and I mixed it with a little bit of a deeper blue called Recharge, and the blue just goes right in the outer corner of the eye. So the focus here is to get a really nice blend and transition between the three shades, the pink to the purple to the blue. So you kind of want to have a mixture of the pink and the purple about a quarter way across the eye, and then you just want bold purple right in the center of the crease, and then you want purple and blue mixed together, and then that blended out just to the blue on its own. I used clean brushes each time I went in with a new color, so I literally had about 6 brushes. So I had 2 for the pink, 2 for the purple, and 2 for the blue. And so now we're going to go in and cut the crease. So that essentially just means laying concealer or an eye base over the whole eyelid area and kind of just marking exactly where you want your crease to be, so you can kind of really define and cut out the eyelid shape and make it as large or as small as you want. And using a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm just cutting out the eyelid area, and I'm just going back in and layering the base once or twice because it is going over such dark and vibrant colors. We want to make sure that we get it as clean as possible. So once that was on, I went and layered a second time over the top with the concealer just to make sure that we get a really nice blank canvas for our colors to go on top of next. Now we can go in and add more colors on top of the concealer. So again, we're going to do another blend of colors. So I'm using the color called Keen from the palette, which is just an amazing, beautiful yellow. I love yellow at the moment, and this one is just got that gorgeous kind of tone to it where it's got a little bit of kick, a little bit of mustard to it. And so I'm going to blend the yellow into a really vibrant orange. So you want to layer the orange shade called Lit on top of the yellow, and then after that we're going to layer a color called Wifey, which is a really nice, a vibrant kind of red, and after Wifey comes Guilty, which is a darker red maroon tone. So we're really giving a nice blend from yellow to orange to red to a darker red. So you kind of want to allow a quarter section on the lid for each color, and you want to blend them together in between so that you have a really nice soft transition between each shade, so that there's a really beautiful blend that ties all of the shades in together. And as you come into that outer corner, you've just got to really blend that maroon shade into the blue and the purple. Now it's time for concealer under the eye. So I just placed a little bit of the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define under the eye, and then I went in with the shade Mood from the kit, which is that beautiful dark blue, and a little bit of Sky. I used Sky, which is a brighter blue, in the inner corner of the eye, and then Mood all the way across, and I put it in the waterline as well to make the color really intense under the eye. I just applied a layer of foundation while I was waiting for the lash glue to go tacky. So today's foundation is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And for the lashes today, I am using the Zipporah lashes by Tia. Tia does this incredible lash. This was the first time I'd used it, and I just absolutely fell in love. I mean, look at them. They are just incredible. I'm pretty sure they are a 3D lash. So once the lashes were on, I applied a little bit more of that Makeup Revolution concealer, a little bit of powder, and now I'm going in with a matte bronzing powder by Phoenix Cosmetics. This one's called South Beach, and I'm just taking that around all of the edges of the face, the hairline, the jawline, and then under the cheekbone. Going in with a little bit of blush, I'm using a peachy shade called Zinnia, which is a Phoenix Cosmetics blush, and I'm just applying that in the lower apple of the cheek area. Next is my favorite part, the glow. So for glow today, I'm using the Balm Mary Illuminizer highlighter, but I'm also using the Phoenix Cosmetics highlighter called Enlighten. So I'm just using a mixture of the two with a Phoenix blending brush. I'm applying that on the cheek area, the nose, the cupid's bow, and the chin as well. I don't want anything too strong on the lips, so I'm using a Phoenix lip liner called Passion, which is a really nice mauvey pinky tone, and then I put Fenty Gloss Bomb on top of that for a really glossy finish. And that brings us to the end of the tutorial. This is the completed look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I honestly had so much fun creating this makeup. It has definitely been one of my most favorite looks I've done since starting this channel. I'm really proud of it, and I just want to thank my model so much. Thank you, Devon, for modeling for me and trusting me throughout this colorful process. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the look and the video. As always, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and definitely leave me any comments or notes below, especially if you have any questions. I will be checking them out and replying to you. Have a fantastic week, guys, and I will catch you next time. Bye!